I saw this video the other day and it was like, hey, I'm pregnant. Come along with me in a week. I'm sick of this crap and get this baby out of me. Or something like that. Oh. Yeah, me too. Me too. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new here. Sometime in early 2025, I released this video. I tried to make as many crochet scrunchies as I could in 24 hours. Here are all of the scrunchies. Since then, I've always wanted to make a video where it's like, I'm gonna wear my scrunchies for a week, you know, have like little matching outfits and everything. I would have preferred this video to be a week straight, but sadly, that's just not how life works. And so all of the clips you're about to see, I've converted it into more of like a vlog style. This is not a week straight. It's basically from, oh gosh, I think it's from like early June 2025 all the way up until like January of 2026. So it's quite a space. It's quite a large space. I should have done more of like a month's worth of wearing them because then I could have gone through all of the different colors, if you can see. So feel free to put this on in the background while you're doing some chores or while you're knitting or crocheting or crafting. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Boom. Hello. Don't mind the mess. It's a lot. Okay, so today I've actually got to really hurry up. So today, first day of wearing my scrunchies and, you know, making sort of like a matching outfit with them. So today I was thinking, I actually haven't worn this one yet. It's blue and white. The sun is out today, but it's still quite cold. So I wanted to wear something really colorful, but I just couldn't really put anything else together at the moment. My brain is just a bit. So we've got the blue. I love the Uniqlo various colored socks, and so I love matching my socks to my outfit, so I'm gonna be wearing these two to match. And then this, it's actually cream. It would have been better if it was white, but close enough. Some long sleeve shirt under it, and it's either between the black jeans or the blue denim skirt. I do like this denim skirt, but it's a very strange length, like it's all the way down to my ankles, but since we're going with like the blue theme, I do have these lovely denim jeans, like high pockets, but they've got a little bit of orange on them, but that's okay. Might go for these if none of those other options work. But today we're just gonna go to a cafe. I need to buy my bird Ringo his food, and I don't know, we're just gonna chill. And my husband and I have taken holidays at the same time for a little while, so we're just gonna be relaxing the next couple weeks, which is nice. So yeah, we're just gonna relax today, go to a cafe, and then see where it leads us. We're gonna get dressed, and then I'll show you the outfit. Okay, I really need to go now. I went for this with my hair. I went for jeans with Birkenstocks. Let's go. So we started off at a lovely cafe. I always get my green matcha latte. And then we got a plate to share. I'm pretty sure this is like fried mushroom with avocado and egg. Literally, Paul McCartney is following me everywhere. He is in every single thrift store I go to. He's just always there. But we also just topped up my bird's food, went to Pet Barn. I got him a couple of toys as well. I actually picked up these awesome pair of corduroy pants from Glassons, I think is how you pronounce it. I love going to secondhand stores and finding like good brands. Like, I know this is still a fast fashion brand, but compared to like some other ones here in Australia, these tend to have like better quality pants and jeans. And so I knew, like, I don't even think I bothered trying them on in the store. Did my little happy dance. Very proud of myself. I reckon that's a good find. Good find indeed. On that very same day, we got invited out to, you know what, I'm gonna be completely honest, I can't remember where we actually went. Some beach side, but it was quite beautiful. We went for a little walk and we saw dolphins. A pod of dolphins, I don't know how to say that. And then we got invited out for dinner. We got like an all-you-can-eat sushi place, which was nice. And then of course we finished up the day with karaoke. Day 2. Today, I want to wear this one. Red and white. Been worn quite a bit. Even though it's winter, I really want to wear these cute red striped shorts. They're from Sports Girl. With some red socks, perhaps. I was thinking of wearing this red jumper, but then I think it'll be too much red. So, maybe like a big oversized white t-shirt with a cardigan or something because it is very cold. And then I think I'll be wearing my white New Balance. Let's see. So, I swear my hair looks like I cut it. It's very 80s or something, isn't it? It's a lot of layers. But I'm just wearing a cardigan. I think I look a bit ridiculous, but you know. We've also got Alistair inside because he's going to the vet today. Oh, Alistair. And he's taken some medicine to like calm him down because he's a bit reactive and he looks super dopey at the moment. Are you okay? So we're going there soon. So definitely not the right outfit for the vet, but we got this red socks. I'm not a fan of this white shirt. Also, this scrunchie is really stretched out because I've been using it a lot. Meh. I just realized that I actually didn't tell you guys why we took Alistair to the vet. It wasn't anything serious. It was just at the time we were getting a little bit worried because he would eat his food and then he would just continuously drink water for like the next half an hour until he was just so incredibly bloated. So we thought he might have some sort of doggy diabetes or something like that. And so we just got him a little blood test and turns out everything is completely fine with him. It's just that the kibble that he was eating at the time had like an extremely high salt content, and so we have started giving him more raw food and wet foods as well, and that problem has completely stopped. On the same day, this was actually a very exciting day for me because I was sewing the sleeves onto my father-in-law sweater. It's a little recreation of something that my father-in-law wore in the 90s. I actually gifted it to my husband soon after I blocked it. So this is me trying it on for the very, very first time. It's not blocked. It's extremely bumpy. But it turned out super flowy and super nice after it was blocked. And then we just settled down with one of the best TV shows we've ever watched. It's called Dark. It's actually a German show. It's awesome. It's about like time travel and stuff. Highly, highly recommend. All right. I can't remember what day it is.
Saturday, the 4th of July.
No, I mean like my scrunchie day. All right, I don't know what day it is. But I'm gonna wear this red scrunchie again. All right, horrible lighting. But here's this, and here's this. And I'm wearing my leopard print jacket. My gosh, the lighting is so bad. Let's go.
Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like You'll never leave on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back.
Hi. I'm filming here real quick because we're actually leaving in a minute, and my voice is stuffed. I just wanted to quickly show you my outfit because we're headed to the markets today. I'm wearing my handmade green with like several layers because it is freezing. And my new pants, colorful socks. It's too early.
Which one? Which one?
Please don't make me wait again. When will you say yes to me? Tell me quando, quando, quando. Caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. We can go on together with suspicious minds. Thank you. Thank you so much, Emily.
Today I have my niece's birthday party. And I made cupcakes, which I will show you in a minute, but I'm just actually kind of running late. I'm gonna be wearing pink and white scrunchie today, and just basically pink, white, and black because her birthday party is Minnie Mouse theme. White skirt, pink top, black cardigan. It's quite soft. Pink socks, and probably just like my white sneakers or something like that. So let's get ready. Boop. Boop. My hair is not done. Hey, okay, so this day was so random, and it was actually sometime in last September where we usually play for Beatles Fest, and so we went all the way to Bathurst and I made the boys wear my woolen creations, which was kind of funny. And I wore my Paul McCartney vest. I'm really sorry about the quality of these videos. It's just kind of all I had. But yeah, we had a really fun time. The next day we checked out like a lot of stalls, and there was like a lot of books and records on sale and stuff. Oh my gosh, I came across these absolutely beautiful vintage like quilted nightgowns. I just wish that I bought one so bad, but I'm pretty sure they were quite expensive. And then we randomly went to a museum to go see like fossils and dinosaurs. That was fun.
Nobody ever loved me like she does. You don't know how lucky you are. Back to USSR.
The last day was actually, I think I was around 7 months pregnant or something, so not very long ago actually. And we went to IKEA to buy a dresser drawer. I was looking everywhere on Marketplace to try to find like a secondhand one, but I just couldn't find, we didn't want like a solid wood one in case of, you know, mold growth and whatnot. And so we just opted out with getting an IKEA one. Alrighty guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Something a little bit different, something that's not so focused on, you know, making, but I think if I ever had to do this sort of video again, I definitely would try to at least keep it within like the same, you know, the same week, the same couple of weeks, just so that I can get a very coherent way of filming each of the outfits. Because I feel like, yeah, it was very choppy, so I apologize for that. Sadly, I obviously couldn't get through the majority of them, but I got through maybe like 6 or 7 different colors, and yeah, fun little casual vlog. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. I've got some interesting projects coming up, so stay tuned for that. Toodles.